Good afternoon, everybody. It's about to be 3 o'clock. I'm starting late. Today isn't even gonna be a busy day though, so it doesn't even matter. It's gonna be a short ass vlog. I woke up, took a shower, I got dressed. Actually, I've been thinking about doing this what did you wear every day thing. Maybe I'll start that right now. Yeah, I'm gonna start that right now. So I'm wearing a Stop Snitching hat made by Tall Cam Boys. I'm wearing a Lil Yachty concert shirt when he went to concert with Ray Shremmerd. Don't hate on Lil Yachty, he's dope. Champion sweats. Champion Urban Outfitters collab sweats. They're nice. This nice burgundy colorway. I'm wearing triple white Ultra Boosts. Triple white Ultra Boost. They're kind of my beaters at this point, but you know, Ultra Boost, good shoe. I'd recommend. Yeah, that's my. What did you wear today? I guess I'm might take a picture. It'll be right here. So today I'm supposed to hang out with Tomas and we're gonna do stuff, but something came up. And so I'm gonna hang out with my girlfriend instead. She's coming over, we're probably gonna be inside all day, so I don't know if I'm gonna film that much. Maybe we'll record a sex tape. If we do, this video is gonna be up on Pornhub instead of YouTube. So maybe I'll go up to here and then the link will be in the description to our sex tape. I'm kinda glad. I'm glad this came up instead, because I'm broke as fuck right now. I have like $15 till Friday, and it is Wednesday. Yeah, it is Wednesday. So, and I need money for like bus fare and shit. So yeah. Alright, hey guys. We're at my crib. You didn't go out. It's Susan. She's my girlfriend.
Okay.
She's about to leave. We were at my house all day.
Fucking?
No. It's my dog. Her name is Princess. She's about to go home.
I almost choked.
Hydrated girls. She don't go to ODU though.
Don't you?
Yeah, alright, this geek, so I'm like about to kiss Susan and just watch my dog. She gets so jealous, it's funny. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. This channel, we love all animals. No discrimination.
This is uncomfortable. Can you swing me back? Like, can you pull and then swing me? Wait, okay. Wait, you're gonna. Wait. Okay, yeah, I got it. Yeah. Are those people staring? They're really staring.
Alright guys, so we're about to go to the bus stop to drop off Susan. And yeah, it's gonna be my day. That's it. Good day, right?
Are you being sarcastic? I'll fucking kill you.
It was a great day actually. I had a wonderful time with my beautiful girlfriend. She just fell on the floor. Yeah, it's a great day. Look at that beautiful sky though. Alright, we're at the bus stop.
Real time, 4 minutes. Is it stop over there?
No, it's stopping over here.
Thank you.
Susan, I'm sorry. I think it's my car.
Wait, no! Oh, I thought I was leaving you.
Alright, so you dropped off Susan. Stop it, guys, stop. She told me I didn't have to take her to the metro stop, but she was kidding about that, and now she's mad at me. But it's usually how it goes. It's all good. Yeah, I'm back in my room. I don't know if I'm gonna go out anymore. Tomas hit me up. Or earlier I told Tomas if you want to do something to like text me, and I said we do something later. But he hit me up earlier and he was like, "Come Tang," and I saw it too late, so he already went to DC. So I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else. But yeah, Tomas hit me up. He asked if I wanted to go smoke some more hookah. Again, I was like, nah, I'm kind of tired. I didn't really feel like going again. We just went last night. But yeah, so I guess it's gonna be the end of my vlog. Sorry I didn't really do much today. It was a indoors type of day. Let me know if you guys like that what did you wear today thing I did in the beginning. Thought it was cool, like, to show off my clothes and stuff. I like clothes. Like and subscribe for more content. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat. Catch y'all, stay safe, peace.